I'm gonna go ahead and do something that is not traditionally how you would paint. And the reason for that is because our stamping polishes are thick and, you know, pretty much, again, they're one coater, so I don't need a lot. So I'm just gonna go ahead and put this on my pointer. Basically what I'm doing is I'm just stippling the polish on, and it just comes off really smooth, but also my goal is that it dries quickly. So now this is what you guys probably have been waiting for if you don't use this technique. So like I said, this is a regular polish. This is Bolt, and this right here, you can see it's kind of see-through, but it has these gorgeous, gorgeous flakies in them, and I don't want to sleep on that. So it's kind of like the polish absorbs into the wedge and it kind of leaves behind the flakies. So as far as the coloring, that is the manicure, what it looks like so far.